In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and today I will show you how to enable Google Backup. So to start off, we will need to open up the settings and tap on the little up tray here, and then for me it's on the last page right here, settings, and from here I want to scroll down to add account, as you can see. And before you do that, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, as I am. If you're not, just at the top you have Wi-Fi, you can just tap on here and select one. So once you are connected, you can go and add an account, choose Google here, and then you have an option to either create one by tapping on a new or log in with an existing one. So I'm going to choose an existing and put in your email. I'll do that. Okay, and then password, so I'm just going to put that up the screen. And then tap on next. I'm just going to choose not now. Backup and reset. Keep the phone backup with your Google account. You want to make sure that it is checked on. Then tap on proceed. And right now you have a Google account added, so you can back up your data. And you can tap on the account that you have just added, like I did, and then tap here, choose the account itself. And you have things that you can enable or disable that you don't, let's say, want to back up. So for instance, if I don't want calendar to be backed up, I can just check that off, and now whatever I input to the calendar, it will only stay on this device. And same goes for everything else. If you want, you could just disable all of it or just keep one thing on, depending on what you like to back up. But yeah, that's basically how you enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.